You squashed some last time. Poor babies. There's a terrible fire in here.
They're not doing much now here.
We need this one out.
Yeah, they're just now starting to pull this one out. See?
Ain't nothing going on. Did we lose the queen?
No, we didn't lose the queen. I'm just now starting to extract it and put honey in here.
They can fill it up in 2 weeks' time. Well, the queen's not laying up there.
No, she's not laying up here. Yes, she is. Scattered. She's working up and down though.
These guys will starve over the winter if they don't hustle and get some food in their stuff.
They're starting to store a little bit in there. Not much, y'all. See?
Okay, take the super off and let's see what's underneath it. As you know, they're not doing well on their Supra. Let's see how the hive looks. She looks good. She looks busy. Not as big as this one.
Nope.
It's alright.
I ain't even pulled that frame out yet.
The smoker sucks.
I ain't even pulling that one out yet.
A little bit.
We might have put the super on too early on this one. There's a queen in here though. Yeah, look at her.
She got babies. She's alright.
She's doing good. She's laying.
Alright.
She's laying. She's got to get a few more babies in here to. I think right there she is. Oh, it's a drone, ain't it?
Where?
Yeah.
She's got a big, long, tan body.
Mm-hmm. She's got dot on her too in here.
Well, this is the one that kept trying to make queen cells, wasn't it?
No, it's this one.
Oh.
Which one am I after? This one right here, wasn't it? I think so.
There she is.
There we go.
She's just a couple weeks late. She's alright.
She's doing good.
She'll do good.
She's got a shitload of babies in there.
Yeah, this one's gonna come out being strongest going into winter.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, look here.
Yeah, she's
Look,
good.
She's good.
Alright, let's close her up. Let's not bug them no more. I say we get a super ready, but don't put it on yet.
Not this one.
Not
that
this one. This
maybe.
one, yeah.
This one, no. She has them babies, and she'll be rocking and rolling.